Oh, hey, good afternoon. This is Dan, and we are here at Elie's house in Sylvania, or close to Toledo, Sylvania. And we're here with the Sandy Lake Unknown. And this is the mother plant here that is in ground. How long has that been here?
This one here, originally from the time I got it, is about 40 years old.
40 years old.
In the ground here is about, I would say, 25.
25 years in the ground.
In the ground.
And you've got another one over here.
This is from it. It came here, and this is a small one. I don't protect. I use the shoots to get new ones with, like if on a plant and they come from the ground.
So you don't protect that one at all? When
I
they
just
sprout up from the ground, that's what you grab?
Exactly.
Yep.
So
And this one you protect though, right?
This one I protect.
Now how do you protect it?
Well, I put burlap. First of all, I get it all close together. So there is a lot of cuttings that's got to be out of this. So I got it contained smaller, and then I will have burlap all around it, and I get also what they call it for frost material.
Yep.
So
like
I cover
a frost cloth, burlap.
Yeah, all around.
Bring it all up together in a pyramid.
Exactly.
Yep.
And then at the end, it's a tarp. I put tarp around it.
Do you close in the top like a chimney or no?
Well,
I've seen some people do that. I've never had one that I've protected, so I don't know. Like,
So
do you have to like pinch off the top, or?
Well, this time I'm gonna pinch the top. But what you do is you put anything around. I take a pot and I put it right on top, so
like
the
a
water.
cap.
Yeah, so the water doesn't go in.
Oh, I gotcha.
Now, the other thing that I do is I got a bulb to heat when it goes the temperature below 25 degrees. It will kick on.
Okay.
Okay, and I got the thermostat.
So you put an extension cord out here with an incandescent bulb and a thermostat.
And a thermostat.
And you set it at 25 so that when it goes below that light bulb.
At 20.
20.
20.
Okay.
Then it goes on, and 25 it will shut off.
Gotcha. Okay.
So, and because I have the other three also the same thing, so what I do is I have one here.
There's another mother plant right there.
That's correct.
Wow, that one's amazing.
And then I got the wire extension cord that goes from this one to this one, and both of them they light at the same time.
Gotcha.
And what happened?
Where do you put the thermostat?
The thermostat is on the first one.
Okay.
But
inside inside?
No. Yeah, inside when I wrap them
I might try that.
I put them inside. This way I get the temperature inside exactly what it is, not the outside. So when I do that, this one here is connected also to this. So both of them, they will go on at the same time, and they will shut off at the same time.
Mm-hmm.
So what happened last year is this one was good, and what happened is we had 2 days or 2 nights of frost after we had a temperature of 75, 80 degrees for about a week or so. It just killed everything, like all the buds. So
you had unwrapped it.
It was unwrapped by then because the temperature was,
and so then it was growing, but then you got a frost that nailed
Absolutely.
it. We got a late frost this year.
That late frost just killed it.
Looks like you got a couple figs on it too in there.
But
oh, that one's got a bunch of figs on it.
It is.
So this was able to, with the protection, it was able to produce.
To produce.
So
absolutely.
And you got a couple big old fat air layers on there, so that's cool.
And one is going to be yours.
Oh, thank you.
So
beautiful. I love how healthy the leaves look too.
They're beautiful and they're big.
I mean, there's no fig mosaic virus that really shows up on these because it's probably because it's so healthy. You know, a lot of times when the figs are really healthy like this, they don't show any of those symptoms.
Yeah.
These leaves are beautiful. So, well, we've got the fig that you're growing in a pot over here. We've got a couple ready to eat. So let's go check that out. Here's some of the figs that I gave you last year. The Muscatel Prado, I gave you my mother plant.
This one here, that's the Muscatel Prado.
That's a great fig.
Which is amazing.
I just had to downsize, so I kept some cuttings, so I'm still growing that, but I had to give away some of my big ones. So, and then here's your couple Sandy Lakes in pots, and they've got They're
a lot.
loaded. So
Yeah, they're loaded.
let's grab some of these and we'll plate them up and we'll give them a try.
Okay. Let's take this one.
Yep, we'll grab
Here.
that one. We'll just hold on to it. And then probably, that one's not really ready, is it? I think this one was ready.
This one is ready.
Yeah, let's grab that one.
There is some more on the other side.
Okay.
You can also get those.
Beautiful.
You know, I saw the other day. Oh, it looked beautiful.
Yeah, this one is really ripe.
Yeah.
So,
I left it. I didn't want to cut it until
Yeah.
we.
okay, so let's plate these up and then we'll be right back.
Have
Okay, we got them plated up. I shared the pictures. I took the weight of 3 and averaged it by 3, and I got about 48 grams of fig. So I've got Shawna here and Elie, and we're gonna taste the Sandy Lake. So just do your best job to just describe what you taste. I mean, they're beautiful, big figs.
Yeah.
The weather's been great here. It's been about 80 degrees and no rain, and so it's a nice big fig, big green fig with strawberry center. So.
Oh, it's sweet. It's got good crunch. The skin, I like the skin's a little bit leathery, like I like with figs. Oh yeah, it's jammy. Very sticky. It's good. Nice and thick.
it's honey.
It's honey, yes. It's thick honey. It's really
So
good.
It is great.
Mm-hmm. That's delicious. Very sweet.
It's amazing. It's the taste. Yeah, very sweet. And like raspberry taste with honey.
Raspberry
bit
and
of-
honey. I gotta try one.
I
I want
agree.
to try this really
Almost like a
ripe piece
jam
right
with
here.
honey, kind of like, oh wow.
I think it has a little bit of acidity, lemon acidity. There's
A
just
little
a
bit.
hint of it, which makes it really good.
I love the crunch. Crunch is perfect. Look how pretty these are.
Yeah,
They're
it is.
nice.
It's very sweet.
It's heavy. They're heavy.
I mean, I'm terrible at describing figs, as you know.
Very
I mean,
dense. I would say dense.
I would say it's sweet, and juicy. A little bit of berry, moderate berry. Yeah, I mean, it's a good fig. It's a really good
really
fig.
nice.
And it was really productive too. I mean, the plants that you have are loaded, so we were able to grab some more figs off several other plants.
The one that with all the fig is the second years only. Second year, and the other
Yeah.
one with the
Thank
the
you.
first year, you might have some little ones,
Okay.
but they're very productive.
Here, you can sit back.
So that Sandy Lake Unknown from Elie in Ohio, over by Toledo, Sylvania, Ohio.
good.
So thank you, Elie. Thank you
I
for
will.
sharing, and look forward to tasting more of this fig in the future.